Welcome to the Vehicles page. Here we have a list of all the vehicles in the fleet. We can add new vehicles, we can delete vehicles, and we can sort the vehicles by registration number, or by make, model, age, or by any of the other headings. To get a vehicle's full details or database page, we click on the registration number. Here we can see and enter the vehicle's important details including the registration number, first registration date, the make, model and VIN number, class, annual inspection date, tax expiry date, last recorded mileage and the next service mileage. We also have a notes section, and below that, a list of equipment that comes with the car. We have separate sections for insurance details including expiry dates, ownership details, service and repairs, files and pictures, and at the bottom of the page we have all the bookings associated with the vehicle. Click on the booking and you can see the booking details. We can also register any damage to the vehicle by clicking on Damage. To record some damage, click on the vehicle, and then enter a description. The damage detailed stays with the vehicle, and gets printed out on the rental agreement every time the vehicle is selected. When the damage has been repaired, delete it, and it will no longer appear. Next we have the Customers page. Here we have a list of recent customers, and we can also search for customers using their first name or surname. We can add a new customer, we can delete customers, or we can sort the customers by customer number, name, or by any of the other headings. To get to a customer's details or database page, we just click on the customer number. Here we can see and enter all the required customer information, including their name, address, contact details, and driving license, passport and ID. We also have a customer notes field and below that, a files and pictures section, where we can add driving license and ID photos. At the bottom of the page we have all the bookings associated with the customer. Click on a booking and you can see the booking details. Next we have the Bookings page. Here we have a list of recent bookings. We can add new bookings, we can delete bookings, or we can sort the bookings by booking number, status, vehicle, customer number, customer name, or by any of the other headings. We can also search for bookings in a specific date range by using the search option at the top of the page. To get the booking details or database page, we just click on the booking number. Here we can see and enter the booking details. As per our previous video, enter a booking. We can also add and record payments. So let's add a deposit payment and rental payment. The 5,000 baht deposit received on the start date is entered by default, but can be manually overridden. The default setting can also be changed in the installation page. The rental is entered manually. 3,600 baht rental, paid in cash, also on the start date. We can also issue a VAT invoice by clicking Add Invoice. The from and to date is preselected according to the rental agreement's start and finish date. The invoice date and the due date is preselected as the start date because the customer pays on delivery, but these dates can be manually changed if required. In this case no changes are required, so we click Build and build the invoice. When the invoice is built, click View to review the invoice. If everything looks good, go back and press Commit to give the invoice its unique sequential number. You can then view the invoice with its sequential invoice number and print or save it. This is the end of our introduction to the Vehicles, Customers and Bookings page. Thank you for watching.